Looking for a service manual for the GMC series of trucks, 1999 models? Well, buy this 3-volume set. Volumes 1, 2, and 3, printed by GM, North American Operations. It's for the 1999 Chevrolet S10, Blazer, GMC Sonoma, Jimmy, Envoy, and Oldsmobile Bravada service manual. Let's go through the flip a few pages. We have the table of contents for volumes 1, 2, and 3 in summary. Well, let's go that in a little bit more detail. Okay, so it has information here about your vehicle, information about, say, the VIN number, the HVAC system, steering, suspension, driveline, axle, brakes. In volume 2, we have more cautions and notices and engine mechanical information and transmission information. In volume 3, we have the body and accessories information, the body control system, restraints, seat belts. Need to get that vehicle certified, you need this book. So let's start off with the cautions and notices. We have it for next few pages, starting from ABS and battery disconnecting, brake dust cautions, O-ring removal, wear your goggles when you're doing certain things, emission notices. Alright, so let's go to the general information. We have conversions for English and metric, we have equivalents for decimal and metric, we have arrows and symbols. This is the conversion table. You got inches to millimeters. You got foot pounds to joules. Alright, diagnostic worksheets. I don't know if GM still answers the phone with these numbers, but this is their book. Alright, so the first step is the VIN number. There's a position, it tells you where to read it, how to read it, conversion table where your vehicle is made, which assembly plant, positions of the VIN number on the engine block, on the transmission, tells you different transmission possibilities. Got the axle identification. Got fasteners. Torque calculations. Wow, how much torque do you put on a bolt at 6 millimeters? Only 0.4 nanometers or 4 pound-inches. What happens if it's 20 millimeters? Well, now you put a little bit more. You put 5.6 newton meters or 50 pound-inches. That's a big difference. If you over-tighten a bolt, you're going to have a problem. How to thread things. Abbreviations. It's going to have all kinds of symbols in this book, and you have to refer back to here. Let's talk about the key lock, ignition lock, the numbering system, secure cylinders, vehicle lifting points. If you lift that heavy vehicle in the wrong spot, guess what happens to your frame? It gets bent. Towing information. How not to tow a vehicle. Special tools. Maintenance and lubrication. Fluid recommendations. For all engine sizes from 2.2 liter all the way up to 4.3 liter. Maintenance schedule. I'm sure you're past that by now. Maybe you're in the hundreds of thousands of kilometers or more. Lubrication points in the vehicle. Higher inflation, do it at least once a month. Wow, I thought I just put in the air one time and it should be good for a year, but no, we'll do it once a month just to check. Otherwise your alignment goes off and you start wasting more gas. Maybe you can flip over if the tire is too soft. Alright, so say your tire is wearing irregularly. Take a look at these different patterns you got. Hard cornering versus incorrect alignment versus a non-uniform tire, and heavy acceleration in the middle, and wear indicator. Wow, you're going to have a bald spot. Boom. Time to change that tire. Road testing, downshifting, four-wheel drive vehicles. Vibrations that could be felt. What could be causing them? You have shaking, buzzing, roughness, booms, tingling, a howl and a whine, matching the frequency of the RPM. So you figure out what's wrong with your vehicle. Do you toss it, or do you just fix a simple thing and you keep it going? Propeller shafts. This is a good book. It'll take a lot of study, but thankfully you don't have to read the whole book. You just read the sections that you need when you're repairing your vehicle. So we're here on the driveline vibration symptoms. I'm sure some vehicles are exhibiting a lot of symptoms these days when they're past 14 years old. You can put a rear axle shim to fix alignment. You have clicking noise and shuddering during turns. Maybe replace the CV joint. Correct the residual engine imbalance. Change the RPM and the firing sequence. Nothing better than having a smooth driving vehicle. It rides fine and clean. Doesn't matter how old it is. I have a 2010 Honda Civic and it rides real rough. I gotta get it serviced. It doesn't matter how old your vehicle is, it can have problems. Teaches a lot about frequency and vibration. Wow, can you imagine driving and your tires are going up and down? You're going to have hopscotch marks on your tire. It's not good. Analyze the vibration, plug in an instrument. HVAC, you want that heater to work, especially in these cold winter months? Or how about next summer? Do you want the AC to work? Well, all the information is right in here. Order this book, call me up, and you fix your vehicle. Blower motor connectors, relays, heater controller connector. I have a 3-volume set. They're in great condition. That's volume 1, this is volume 3, and volume 2. Hardly used. My dad bought them just so he could fix a neighbor's truck and didn't touch them since. So it's time to unload them. We no longer have a vehicle to fix, and I'm sure somebody else out there would like to try it out. Call me for these books and have a great day.